First of all, I would like to pay my respect to student, parent, and student. My name is Kamari. I am responsible for School 301 at Unit19 International School. So, everyone, how are you today? Yes. For me, I'm so. So, everyone, I want to ask you about some question about all lesson long U sound. Long U sound, what does it mean? Long U sound in Khmer, everyone. Yes, long U sound in Khmer is o. Yeah, but in the phonics tree has the two kind of long U sound like U space E and EW. Yes, everyone. So everyone take your book phonics tree. Open your book page 61 and 62. Let's start the new lesson about the long U sound and look at the whiteboard and read the difficult word on the whiteboard, and then teacher explain you about the meaning or draw the picture for of you. Okay, let's start everyone. Read with teacher and look at. Okay. Unit 16 long U sound. Okay, vocabulary, U space E. Okay, U space E is mean O, long U sound. Yes, shoot, opposite ugly. Shoot, for example, I am sugar. Yes, I am sugar. Shoot. Okay, shoot, function in adjective. Opposite small. For example, it is huge. វាគឺធំសម្បើមយ៉ាងចឹង huge ធំសម្បើមផ្ទុយនឹងតូច small តូច coupe it is a coupe រៀង4ជ្រុង វាគឺជារៀង4ជ្រុងមួយ អូខេ yeah រៀងអបនិសអីចឹងណា yes okay, for example, he has a mule. Yes, okay, mule. Just mule, Khmer, sub, yang, and sitting, set. Yes, okay. Museum is function is noun. Yes, noun for example is it is a museum. It is a museum. Yes. Use is function is verb. I use it. No proper. Yes. Okay. Continue. EW sound O. Yes. New. Its function is adjective opposite or. For example, I have a new book. Nhưng mình suppose mới các bạn. Okay, male. Its function is noun. Cat sound. មានន័យថាសំឡេងឆ្មាអូខេ shoe view its function is verb. It's like look. Yes. Shoe its function is adjective 2 or 3. For example, I have 2 or 3 apple. Okay? Yes. Yeah. Grow. Its function is verb part of grow. ចឹងកន្លែងកំពុងតែថារូបរងតែនេះគឺជា part របស់ពាក្យដើមនេះគឺ grow. Okay? For example, the tree grow very fast. អញ្ចឹងមានន័យថាដើមឈើគឺលូតលាស់លឿន Yeah, okay, everyone open your book page 61. Okay, open together. Yes. Okay, everyone, and look at the whiteboard and practice with teacher. Okay, say the name of each teacher, then match and write. Okay. Everyone look at the whiteboard and teacher explain the word by word for you and read of the picture. Okay. Yes. Okay. Picture 1 is soup. Is Khmer is coupe. Okay. រៀង4ជ្រុង Okay. And picture 2 is museum, Saramon Monti. And picture 3 is shoot, Thong Sam Bang. And picture 4, male, Sumlane Chma. Okay. Everyone, look at the whiteboard again and complete the blank. Okay? Complete the teacher. Okay, look at in number 1. Number 1 is school. Okay? C U B E. Okay? And number 2 is museum. M U E S E U M. Okay, number 4. Number 3. Yes, number 3. What is the word? Everyone? Yeah, shoot. A U. Okay. G and E. Okay. And the last. What is the word, everyone? Yeah, male. M E W. Yes. And now everyone, teacher sorry is now is we completed already, and then it's math. Okay, my picture and word. Okay, everyone look at the word and the picture. Okay, and math. អញ្ចឹងយើងបានពេញពាក្យហើយនៅក្នុងចន្លោះហើយអញ្ចឹងពួកយើងម៉ាច់រូបភាពហើយនឹងពាក្យជាមួយ teacher ទាំងអស់គ្នា Okay? Yes. Okay. Picture ទី1អញ្ចឹងយើងឃើញគ្រូអីគូអញ្ចឹងស្មាច់ទៅពីអីគេដែរ Yes. True. Okay. And the word number 2 is museum. Okay. Math picture blue museum. And number 3, shoot from some mountain. Okay. Math 2 picture. Okay. Number 4, male. សំឡេងឆ្មាand match រូបសំឡេងឆ្មា Okay, everyone. Okay, everyone, come use next. Listen to the sentence circle the right word. Okay. អញ្ចឹងនៅក្នុង listening នេះគេឲ្យពួកយើងគឺបំពេញនៅពាក្យនៅខាងក្រោមពេញ Okay, number 1, look has or blah 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 apple. Okay, peel, shoe and peel. Number 2, the dog is very blah 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 shoot, cut and cutting. អញ្ចឹងនៅក្នុង listening នេះគេឲ្យពួកយើងលើកពាក្យ3ហ្នឹងក្រុមទី1ឧទាហរណ៍ថាទី1គឺគេមានពាក្យ3ពាក្យបើយើងស្ដាប់từខាង radio និយាយពាក្យអីយើងអាច complete យកពាក្យហ្នឹងមក complete នៅក្នុង blank. Okay, ទី2គឺដូចគ្នាដែរ Okay, everyone, teacher play the listening for all of you. Okay, yes.
Let's learn more. Listen to the sentence. Choose the right word and write it in the blank. Number 1.
Luke has a few apples.
Number 2.
The duck is very cute.
Listen to the sentence. Choose the right word and write it in the blank. Number 1.
Luke has a few apples.
Number 2.
The duck is very cute.
Okay, it is the last time for you. Yes, okay.
learn more. Listen to the sentence. Choose the right word and write it in the blank. Number 1.
Luke has a few apples.
Number 2.
The duck is very cute.
Yes. Okay, everyone. Number 1. Luke has earth. What is the verb? Okay, shoe. Earth. E-W. Luke has a shoe at apple. Okay, number 2. The duck is very cute. C-U-T-T-E. Okay, everyone, this is our homework. Okay, yes, teacher explain for you about the homework. Okay, homework. Read and circle the word with short U sound and underline long U sound. អញ្ចឹងនៅក្នុង homework មួយនេះគេឲ្យពួកយើងគូសរង្វង់ពាក្យណាដែលជា short U sound ហើយឲ្យយើង underline ពាក្យណាដែលជា long U sound. For example is shoot. អញ្ចឹងតើពាក្យនេះគឺជា long U sound ឬក៏ short U sound. អញ្ចឹងយើងគិតថាបើវាគឺជា long U sound យើង underline វាបើយើងគិតថាពាក្យនេះគឺជា short U sound យើង circle វា For example, is shoot is long U sound. Underline it. Okay? Yes. Read and circle the word with short U sound and underline long U sound. Wow, that is shoot. What is it? It is a mule. We use it to carry things. Wow, that is shoot. What is it? It is my little puppy. His name is Duke. Okay, everyone, now is finished our lesson. So, everyone, I hope all of you do this homework is very well. Okay, everyone, yes, see you again. Yes, goodbye.